Interesting facts science can't explain. Part 4. Everyone has experienced the last one. There's a place on Earth known as the Zone of Silence in Mexico, where clocks don't work, radios stop functioning, and compass spin violently when placed on the ground. Science doesn't explain why or how that happens. Did you know that TikTok knows who your truest friend is? Your secret keeper is the second person that pops up when you click on share, then select more. Bermuda Triangle, also known as the Devil's Triangle, remains one of the world's biggest mysteries. This infamous stretch of water between Florida, Bermuda, and Puerto Rico has been the subject of credible countless stories about ships and planes that vanished without a trace. If you comment, shock, you will unlock this secret TikTok emoji, the Mandela effect. A phenomenon where a large group of people remember something inaccurately. One example is the false memory that Nelson Mandela died in prison, although he was released and became South Africa's president. And now, before the last fact,